In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scheduled reports in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to build a clean, customized report layout and how to access the scheduling controls so your reports are delivered automatically without manual effort every month. Start by heading to Reporting from the main Xero navigation. This is your hub for all standard and custom reports. For today's example, open the income statement. The approach you'll see here applies just as well to other reports, so feel free to use your preferred report once you're comfortable with the flow. With the report open, move into Edit Layout. Think of this as your design workspace. It lets you refine the structure so the scheduled version looks the way you want every time it's sent out. Before changing anything, notice the schedule icon at the top. That's where you'll set the timing and recipients once your layout is dialed in. We'll first make sure the report content is exactly right so your scheduled output is consistent and clear. Next, edit a row heading. Renaming a heading helps align the report with your internal terminology, groupings, or management categories. Clear headings make it easier for stakeholders to scan results quickly and understand what they're looking at, especially when they receive the report by email. If you notice an account missing from a section, click Add Accounts. This lets you bring in additional ledger accounts that should appear under the selected heading. Including all relevant accounts prevents confusion later and reduces follow-up questions when the scheduled email lands. Then select the account or accounts you'd like to add. You can search for them and you're free to choose multiple items if needed, so the section reflects everything you want. Summarized. Click Update to apply your selections to the layout. This is the confirmation that adds those accounts to the section you're working on. Take a quick glance to confirm the structure looks right, the headings are meaningful, and the totals roll up as expected. When you're satisfied, click Update Layout to commit your changes. At this point, your report is formatted the way you want it to appear whenever it's sent out. Remember that schedule icon at the top. This is the control center for automated delivery. That's where you configure the cadence and recipients so the finalized layout is delivered on a regular schedule, saving you time and keeping everyone aligned. And that's it. You've opened the report, customized the layout, and located the scheduling controls to automate delivery.